Hey Primary 5 Math Prodigies, this is Coach Saiful with your daily dose of math mastery. So we're on to decimals, one of the most easiest, one of the simplest topics to do. And let us go to the question yesterday. Yesterday's question was very simple. It's level 1 math, okay? So level 1 math says that the question was, Joshua read blah 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 blah. Okay, the answer for those of you who are waiting for it, the answer is, let me write this in blue, it's 300 pages. If you got it right, high five, you are a math prodigy. Good job. Okay, now, how do we do this question? It's very simple. Let's read the question again. Joshua read 0.35 of a book. Remember, 0.35 basically means something like this, 35 over 100. If there were 100 pages, that means he read 35 pages. He read this on Monday, and he read 0.16, which is 16 over 100 more of it on Tuesday. So if there are 147 more pages to be read, how many pages are there in the book? So now I just want you to imagine for a while. I just want you to imagine for a while that there are 100 pages in this book. It's not true, but we're just going to imagine there are 100 pages in this book for now. Or shall I say 100 parts of this book. Okay? So let's imagine that there are 100. This is 100. This whole thing is 100. Okay? Let's imagine this. So 35. Oops, that's really bad drawing. Let's slowly do this, and we're good. Okay, so let's imagine for the first one, it says 35 out of 100. So let's draw that for Monday, okay? Let's say 50 is around here, 35 should be somewhere here, okay? 35. So this is on Monday, okay? And 16 is on somewhere here. Let's say half, about 151. 16. Sorry, Tuesday. Tuesday. Okay, this is Tuesday. This is Monday, this is Tuesday. And then there are 147 pages left. Okay, so again, this is 35 parts, and this is 16 parts, and this is out of 100. So it says here that this is 147 pages, correct? And we also know that if there are 35 parts here, 16 parts here, how many parts are here? If you answered 100 minus 35 minus 16, I'm going to give you a high five. You are a super math prodigy. Good job. So that's the first step. So instead of writing 100 minus 35 minus 16, all we have to do in decimals, yes, is we do something like this. We write down, first off, we add it together. So the total is 0.35 plus 0.16. How do you add decimals? Exactly the same way you would add numbers. So first put a 0 point, and then you add the last two numbers together. So 3 plus 1 is 4, 5 plus 6 is 11, so it should be 51, 0.51, okay? So this is the total. Now, how many parts are left? All you have to do is write 1, which is a one big whole, minus 0.51. And then you will get 0.49. And this is 0.49 is actually equals to 147. So the question is, how many pages are there in the whole book? So if 0.49 equals to 147, so you put that 0.49 pages, right, equals to 147. No, that's wrong. I want you to write this way, okay? The answer should be something like this. Take a blue pen here. I'm gonna write this down for you. If 49 units equals to what? Correct, 147 pages, correct? And hence 100 units equals to what? So let's find 1 unit first. 1 unit is equals to 147 divided by 49. If you do the working, you will get the answer is equals to 1 unit equals to 3. And how many units are there in total in the book? 100 units. Therefore, 100 units equals to 300. Units equals to 300 pages. And hence, there are 300 pages in the book. If you got it right, high five, you are a math prodigy. Good job. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to do the question for the day. The question for the day is level 2 math. Level 2 decimals. So read this. Megan bought 40 sausage buns at $0.45 each. In other words, 45 cents. Okay? If each sausage bun costs $0.15 more or 15 cents more, how many fewer sausage buns can she buy with the same amount of money? That means, let's say something happens, okay? Let's say what happens is suddenly the man just decides to, the person who sells the sausage bun decides to charge it 15 cents more. Now, how many fewer sausage buns can she buy with the same amount of money? Okay, this is a level 2 math, a bit difficult, but I know you can do this because you are a super math prodigy, alright? Remember, how do I do this? All you have to do is make sure that you do it slow and steady. be slow, be cool, be slow, be steady, and win the race. With that, this is Coach Saiful signing off. You are a math prodigy. Good job.